It says in Psalms 147 verse 4, he telleth the number of the stars, he calleth them all by their names. Now think about that. Okay? Now we don't even know what the numbers of the stars are. With all the telescopes and things we have today, they don't even know. They only estimate how many stars there are. They can only estimate. Well, God knows how many stars there are, and he's got names for all of them. And and in their estimations of the amount of stars there are, I mean, do we even have enough combinations of letters in our English alphabet to be able to give them all names? All right, how does God do that? I don't know. Obviously, our minds can't comprehend it, but God can. He's the one that made them. And he said, a lot of people too, when you start talking about a massive universe and stuff, they're like, what's the point? All right, I heard Tyler Doker talking about that when he was talking about, if there's just trillions of planets, what's the point of all that? It doesn't make sense that God would make this, infinite universe. Why not? It's an infinite God. He's an infinite God. He's an all-powerful God. Why not, just to show off and to show how powerful he is, just make an infinite universe with trillions and trillions of stars? He can do that. I don't think it was any harder for him to do it that way. I'm sorry, that's a bad argument to make right there. That's a really bad argument. I mean, what did God tell Abraham? He said, look at the stars, if you're able to number them. That's how your seed's going to be. God obviously made it where we couldn't number the stars for a reason, to show how powerful he is, to show it makes it even more obvious that there is a creator. So that's a very, very bad argument that he makes. I believe this universe is a testimony to the infinite nature of God.